Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to move 3D cursor. To move 3D cursor, you can use this icons, cursor, and you can click to be automatically move the cursor. If you want to move the cursor into selected object, like I will select this camera, and if you want to move into camera, you can right click, go to snap, and then choose cursor to selected. If you want to move again into cube, you can select cube object, right click, snap, and then use cursor to select it. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorial how to move 3D cursor. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.